Muscle is what the world sees, but the mind is what builds it. Before the weight moves, the thought is already disciplined. Yogesh Jadhav does not train to impress, he trains to master control. Every rep is intentional, every breath measured. Pain is not avoided, it's understood. Focus sharpens strength, silence sharpens focus. There are no shortcuts here, only repeated decisions. Day when motivation fades, discipline takes command. The mirror reflects effort, but the mind remembers sacrifice. Progress is slow, but certainty is absolute. This physique was not rushed, it was earned. This is mind over muscle, for thought focus, restraint, and relentless intent.